Okay, so today I will present about individual report of investment performance for the course Investment and Portfolio Management. My name is Alfati Ragema with the matric number BB7763 and the lecturer of this course is Dr. Ima Izati. Okay, so uh, for the table of content, we have four main topic today. The first one is how investment work. The second one is investment in Apple Inc. The third one is investment in McDonald Corp. And the last one is conclusion. So how investment work? So an asset or object purchased with the intention of generating income or appreciation is referred to as an investment. When a person buys something as an investment, the goal is not to consume it, but to use it to build wealth in the future. And for sure, when the investor invests their money to get a higher return, they also have to face some risk. So the second one is Apple Inc. stock. Apple Inc. is a global firm based in the United States that creates and manufactures consumer devices and software. So this is based on the performance that I do in the Investopedia Stock Simulator. The first bot of the stock in Apple Inc. is 154.71 on November 18. And then because the stock price is getting increased, I decided to buy one stock again, and because the increase is continue, the price of the stock is continue to increase, I decided to get two more stock. And overall, I decided to sell the stock when the price is 170 each stock. So in total, I get 340 in total to sell two of stock in the Apple Inc. Well, if we compare to the price in the third bot, I can absolutely say that I'm not get the profit. But if I compare with the first and the second bot, I can say that the sale price that I make is greater than the first and second price of the stock when I purchase it. So, well, I can say that the profit that I make is not that much, but the stock provide a good return opportunity compared to another stock that I bought in the Investopedia Stock Simulator. So this third one is McDonald Corp. McDonald Corp is the second firm with a stock price that I believe is fairly consistent, and McDonald is the largest food service company in the world. Um, I experienced to buy the first bot in the McDonald Corp with the price of 251 for the one stock in November 26, and because the price of the stock is continue increase, I decided to buy two more stock. For the price is 268.56 on each stock on January 7. Well, if I look at it now, this company is having a stock price decline because it can see that the stock price now is 262.71. And until now, I have not decided to sell my shares yet in the McDonald Corp. And I decided to wait until the stock price can stabilize again. As I, as I observed, the stock price of this company did not decrease drastically, but slightly, and usually will stabilize again. So it's better for me to wait until the price of the stock is going up again, and when the price is going up, I can sell my stock in McDonald Corp. So in conclusion, each stock has its own risks and each company has its own risks too. For that, when I invest and position myself as an investor, I try to learn first about the company where I invest and how the portfolio performs from time to time. We also can learn what risks usually occur in the company and consider many things before investing. And investment requires careful and appropriate consideration so that in the future it can provide the expected high returns. So that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.